Woo! That's an interesting evolution from DJI. So my new robot fellow is moving in. Let's get it inside and unpacked and see what it can do. So, ROMO! DJI ROMO. And it's the transparent model. And it's okay heavy. So it's the transparent model, I hope. It'll be interesting so I can follow along what's going on inside. So let's see what's inside. So, it's the start guide. This is some power supply. There is, I don't know, some liquid, I guess soap for washing. And there's this. There's some sort of a base plate. So just put it there. Knife. It is ROMO. Interesting. If it wasn't for me having a, if I bought this, I would probably not have bought it transparent. But it's nice here for this investigation. So this, I guess this is a DJI technology from all the drones and all the other stuff that they are doing. They put that into this. Really nice device. Let's see how well it works when we get it out in the real life. Be interesting if it can go below our couch there. I think, yeah, maybe not. So, more liquid. And there's the base station here. See if there's anything else in here. No. It's empty. Then I can't see what's going on in the camera. Lift back out. Let's inspect it a little bit. See what's going on here. So it smells new. It smells like new electronics. So, hello, my friend. So this is the kit. So this one needs to go away. Yeah. It'd be interesting to try this. concept. Documenting it with the Nano. That's interesting, but that's another story, the Nano. So, hybrid vision system. And it goes in here, maybe? I don't know. Something more than it. Yeah? Is something else in here that needs to be moved? No. Then I guess it needs this plate there. Yeah. I think what I would do is see, there's the power. You just try and power it up, see what happens. So ordinary 230 plug here goes in here. So let's remove this station right here. This is kind of a way to smash your camera, but this is kind of nice. I don't even have like a robot lawnmower. I don't have any of these devices. I haven't had that before, so it's a brand new experience for me. It'll be interesting to see if I can coexist with a robot like this. So let's just put this one and plug it in. See what is it doing? What is it doing? See? This one doing anything? No? No? Maybe I should read the instructions before I do this. I don't know. I guess there's a quick start guide somewhere. Ooh, that's a heavy one. Yeah. Normally I don't use these guides, but I guess I need to throw in the towel. Is it called that? So remove that. Yes, check. Remove that. Check. I plugged it in. Check. Put it on the tray. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good so far. So yeah, a little bit distance from the wall, stuff like that. Then we install cleaning cartridge. Where's that? Oh, those are the cleaning cartridges. Let's see. That were those. Squishy, squishy. I can see where this is going. So we have this. So, and let's just see. Instructions. So we need to pick the thick one first. This one. And the instruction says something about removing this peel thingy here. So, and then we just, I don't know, it doesn't seem like the right way. Let's just check. Checky. No, yeah, it was the wrong way. You can see that from the shape. Yeah, easy peasy. I guess the next one, that's the same procedure. So now we plug those in. Then we close the lid here. Remove this. So this one goes in here. Come on, my little friend. So, are you there? Woohoo! Yeah. What else? Then we need to take the clean water tank. Yeah, sure, we will do that. So clean, dirty. Oh, there's also stuff in here. So. Stuff here that needs to be removed. We fill that with clean water. Now there's some spare parts. How much? Maybe between this lever and the other one. I don't know. So, I don't know. I guess it might tell me if it's wrong. So, drop that one in. Let's just check if there's anything else in this one. There's not. So, okay. So now we've done everything. So what is going on now? What is going on now? So the procedure was fairly simple. I had to remove a few stickers around the drone. Then I need to plug in for some power on the back. Then I needed to open this lid and install these two cartridges, clean cartridges. I had to put in the ROMO itself. Needed to go in here. So, and I needed to take this water tank and fill it with clean water and install it. Now, and then we need to scan the QR code before first use. So everything is like it's supposed to be. We are back here in business. We take the camera here. We have the camera. And we have the QR code, the instruction. So we open. Just do a little bit of recording here, some additional recording here, so you can see what it is that I'm seeing. So, okay, so we have everything going here. So we have the QR code. So we just open that. Then it jumps into a DJI page here. And I will just download this. So this is a new app we haven't seen before. That one you won't see. So we're logged in and we are downloading. So there was this extra set of blades, I guess some sort of a spare part for the drone, not the drone, the ROMO. So see, agree, yeah, tag drone media at gmail.com. Agree to the terms and services. So, there. Of course we will, of course I will join the improvement program. I'm happy to help. So permission request, we just do that, allow while using the app, the Bluetooth pairing, pair, it's called...
Press button on top of base station.
Sure. We're pressing the button. Indicator stays blue, yeah. Press start at the base station. What is start? Oh. Is this one? Bluetooth pairing. Oh, okay. So just to show you. So it was, I had to press this one first, so it stayed solid blue, and then I needed to press the play button in here, or power button in here to succeed the pairing. So that was not that complicated once you actually read the instructions. Hey, no! Maybe I didn't complete it completely. So okay, and then they wanted to go on the LAN. So 5 gigahertz recommended. We take that. Enter the password. So now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Need to make sure that everything is in the frame. So now it's connected. Nice. So we need to give it a name. We will call it ROMO. Not sure we will convince it to fly though. So maybe we'll find a better name later, yeah? What do you think it should be called? Let me know in the comments. So we don't want to answer questionnaires right now. So next. So there's some updates. So now it's doing a firmware update. So during the update, make sure that the device has sufficient power and keep it connected to the network. Yes, that's fairly easy when you are dealing with a product like this. Very, very easy because it's so heavy. You don't want to drag it around. Keep the robot in the base station. Yes, check. That's in there. After the update is complete, the robot will automatically offline and restart. Will be offline and restart. All right. See if there's anything else that we need to know here. No? A lot of different languages. So let's just move the camera. Yeah. So. It's doing something. So I'm unpacking this on the, what is it today? It's the 24th, yeah. So I still have a few days to mess around with this before the release. But I heard people complaining about the nano overheating, and it is pretty hot as it is right now. So it'd be interesting if that would happen. But So far, the base station is there. Really nice. I can see what it is that I'm actually filming. Only thing that's a bit annoying is that if I enable the Bluetooth microphone, then I will lose the preview on the camera. So that's a little bit annoying. So let's see. So I can spend a little time cleaning up here. See, it actually says it here. See, it says it here. Scan the QR code, watch the tutorial, read the manual. We did that. Let's see what it's doing. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. We lost the screen recording again. So the update is complete. Let's just turn on the screen recorder again. Makes it a little bit easier for you to follow along. So, okay, done. So we need to make sure that there's enough light here. Okay, so let's just fix that part. Now, I made sure that there was plenty of light here in the room. Let's just start the screen recorder again. So, it happens because it goes, when it goes into sleep mode, the phone, it actually stops recording. So, okay, so it says adequate light before cleaning the house requires the robot to familiarize with the environment. All right. Can you see it? I hope so. So let's just do next here, clean clutter. Clean floor, cables, slippers, clothes. Yeah, I've done that. Open the door. Yeah, but right now I think we'll just run with the kitchen and the living room. Cliff detection. Yeah, that's the problem. If you look over there, you see in the bottom of the door, there's actually a bottom part that sticks up on the floor. So it's I'm not really sure that it can jump over those parts. So that's something that needs to be addressed. That's interesting because those I live in an old house, so so yeah. So cliff detection. Okay, so I can disable it right now because I closed the door here and I closed the door in the kitchen. So okay, so I start
mapping.
So now it will start mapping. What is it doing? So, hello. So I was trying to figure out the size of the room. See if it can go below there. Hey, this is this is interesting. So can you just what is it doing? Hello? Ah, I didn't take the phone away. So I guess it's learning now. And I guess it doesn't need to go absolutely close to the obstacles, because it has sensors that will tell it what it can do and what it can't do. Yes, I wonder what it's doing with that part over there. And this floor, that will definitely mess it up, because it's not clean, it's just these stains, they are like printed into. So this is the part, this is the part where I think it will struggle. It cannot handle that. So. Oh. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's where it would struggle. So it got caught on top of that, so now I'll just close the door. Let's just put the camera on top of it. Yeah, you're getting a sort of fractions of this. So let's see. Yeah, goes in there. Yeah. We need to make it use of this guy. See if we can do it. Yeah! If that was not possible, then the system would not have been very good. I fully understood if it was not capable of doing it, but it was funny.
Mapping complete.
Okay, so now it has mapped the whole area. Hey, this is so I don't know how I will deal with those humps there, but maybe I don't know, need more different programs or something to deal with that. So yeah. So that's I'm really happy that it went below the couch, because otherwise it would be annoying. So yeah, okay, so let's press done here. One time cleaning. So daily cleaning, deep cleaning, base, start deep cleaning. Maybe not today. Just find vacuum. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff here to select. So I need to mess around with that to find out what. Yeah. Why not just vacuum then mop? So it can vacuum and mop, and it can vacuum then mop, and then it can find vacuum and it can mop. And I'm not sure that I wanted to mop right now. So let's just take one of those here.
Start cleaning.
So what is it doing? So, and you can, so it goes under. I like it. So it seems, well, it's busy under the couch here. So now it's coming out. See what is? You can't do that. Can you do that? No. It's. One of the things that are nice here is that you can set a schedule. So maybe you don't want this to fly around and vacuum while you're sitting here watching television. So you can just schedule it. What is that? What is that? What is that? What do I see here in the corner? Let me just put the camera here because you can easily hear me talk. So you can keep an eye on what it's doing. So just put the camera like this so we can see what it's doing. So what I'm talking about is that there's a camera here. Welcome to remote video.
Press button on top of base station.
Yeah. Sunday. So now authentication is, we set a password. I want to show you that. How brilliant is that? So what is going on? So we're running out of recording juice. Yeah, but look at this. So we just grab whatever we can with the camera here. So maybe I just need to put it down here so it can. Charge a little bit here. Come on, man. How cool is that? So I guess you can put a speaker and a microphone. So electrical inspection here. I don't know if this is the usual level of functionality that you get with a robot vacuum cleaner, but this is for sure cool. When DJI reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to be part of the next generation, I was I was not even considering getting like a robot vacuum cleaner, but this is amazing. So, but I guess my wife will be the judge if it does a proper cleaning job. So this is funny. So video control starts, current task paused. Okay, so you can
Pause cleaning.
So you can pause the cleaning and then you can look around with the camera.
Start remote video.
So I can control it. Let's just get
Continue cleaning.
See, I want it outside. Yeah.
Pause cleaning.
Now we can see what it's doing when we're testing this. So when I mess around with this, hello? So I can move it. So then I can do like a full sweep. Cleaning in progress. Voice call is not supported. Cleaning in progress. Yeah, okay. So what happens if I load the map? I can see the path that it has been.
Continue cleaning.
So now we got the overheating stuff from so see, I can end the task here.
End cleaning.
So we can play around with exploring all the different modes. We can do that, but I think the video here now is becoming long enough. What? I think I would have a lot of fun playing around with that. That's for sure. So yeah. So idle. So clean up, collect dust.
Collect dust.
Whoosh. So now it's taking all the dust that it collected. Return to base station, collect the dust, dry, clean mop path. Yeah, we don't need to do that right now. And then we have all the error messages here. I don't know. Apart from not being able to climb these obstacles into the other rooms, I'm pretty excited about this. So, yeah. So so this was the first video about the ROMO and or the DROMO as I call it right now. You probably have a ton of questions, maybe not a ton. Also, if you only have a few, then drop them in the comments below, and then I will test it out and try stuff with this new machine. So. Yeah, and there's of course also a link if you want to purchase it. I'm not sure what the price is as it is right now of shooting this video, but I will write it somewhere here on the screen or leave the information in the description to this video so you can check it out for yourself. This product was sent to me by DJI for review. So yeah, So I will encourage you, before you decide to go purchase it, I will encourage you to check some of the other reviews as well, so you can do like an educated decision. But I will be very happy if you decide to use my affiliate link, as it helps me and supports the channel. You pay the same, but it supports the channel and helps me continue making videos like this. And this was also a field test of the Osmo Nano, and it seems we made it to around the 50-minute mark before we ran into problems, but then just had to sit like, I don't know, 2-3 minutes. And then, I could record the remaining part. So, when I was speaking, it was overheating. I am running at, so we'll just finish it off on the phone here. So you get this yellow bar that says it's overheated. I'm running 2.7K. 30 FPS, and I'm using Rocksteady for this recording. So I think we managed to get around 50 minutes before we ran into the first issue, and then so now it needs a little bit of fresh air to get back in business. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.